Well friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. My name is Praveen Kumar and I am going to share with you two important methods that will help you to obtain your IELTS reading score. 6 to 7 band you can easily get if you follow my two techniques which I am going to share with you, and they are suitable for academic and general. Whether your requirement is 5 band, 6 band, 7 band, if you follow this technique or two methods that I am going to share, you will definitely, I give you 100% guarantee that you can get that scores. Before I share that two methods with you, let me show you the successful results obtained by my students who follow these two techniques. So this is the first result of one of my students who appeared in general exam and got 6 band in reading in 1 month's preparation, and the exam was held on 19th June. Second was reading 7 academic, then reading 6.5 17 June. This result is of a general training student who got 4.5. His overall requirement was 5 band and he got 5.5 in writing, overall 5.5. And this one got 6.5 in reading. And this student, that was online student taught by me, was from Canada and got 6.5 band in general reading, overall 6.5 score. And friends, all these students have got these scores in 1 to 2 months preparation. And now I'm going to share with you the method that I have told these students to do their IELTS practice. And the method was use two methods, that was odd date method and even date method. What is odd date? Like first of every month, 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, these are the odd dates. Even dates are like 2, 2nd or 4th, 6th, 8th and so on. So what do you need to do? You need to change your methodology of reading, and on odd date you will do reading in a different way, and on even date you will do reading in another way. So what are those ways? On odd date, complete reading in 60 minutes. Suppose it's the first of any month, like 1st July, 3rd July, 5th July, like this way. On these dates you will do reading, whatever reading you do, academic or general, you will do it in 60 minutes and check your level. What score do you get? You have to do this in time bound manner with alarms, and after 20 minutes when your 20 minutes will be over, you will move to the next passage. So each passage you need to do in 20 minutes, and then you will check your score and record your score in any paper or any register or copy. Then you have to maintain this record for 1 month, and after that on even date, like 2nd of any month, 4th, 6th, you will do reading in unlimited time, like it's not conditional reading that you have to finish in 60 minutes. Take 90 minutes or 120 minutes or unlimited amount of time. The thing is that you have to do here, you have to do reading slowly. You have to find the difficult words, their meanings, and note them in the copy, so that you will be able to prepare your own personal dictionary of difficult words. If you will do this way, what will happen? Your reading ability, your understanding will grow. The reading that is done on odd date will show your level, and this on even date, the reading that you will do, it will grow or boost your understanding of English, your comprehension of English, and ultimately what will happen, slowly when you will do your reading in the fixed time, like in standard method on odd date, your score will go up. Okay, when you will do your reading on even day, then what will happen? Your deep understanding of the passage will improve. And what you need to do? You need to work on your problem area, like suppose you have difficulties in true false not given, or list of headings, or which paragraph, different kind of questions are there. So spend more time on the problem area. When you do reading in 60 minutes, you cannot work on your problem area. At that time, you just check your ability, whether you are getting improvements or not. But when you do reading on even date and in unlimited amount of time, you will work on your problem area, and the result will that your performance will start growing up. And I will also suggest you that if you face some difficulties in understanding any questions, or particularly any type of question, you should take help of someone who has already done IELTS and got good score in reading, like 7 or 8 band, or you can take help of your teacher, your mentor, or even on YouTube. There are so many YouTubers, those who have already uploaded videos on various kinds of readings, how to do them. You can also take their help. So after doing this, okay, you will do such things for 30 days, and reading score on odd date will go up, and time on even day will decrease. So what will happen, overall the performance will be like that: your score will go up and time will comes down, and it will result in improvement of your vocabulary and time management. Friends, the reading is totally a game of vocabulary and time management. If you do reading with deep understanding, you will take more time. If you do reading fast, the time will decrease, but the score will also sometimes get decreased. So you have to maintain a balance. So on separate days, you should have different methods of reading. So over and all, what I try to say here, that you need to use two methods, like reading in fixed time and reading in unlimited time on odd and even days. So thank you guys. Please inform me after 30 days. If you try this method after 30 days, please inform me what improvements have you obtained in your reading score. Thank you very much.